This next amazing blend is the house blend of Cafe Live, and it's called the Emma's Blend. This blend is named after the youngest daughter of the owner, and this blend is composed of two main parts. These main parts are the Brazil Natural and the Guatemala Washed. The Brazil Natural is a pea berry, and so what that means is that this particular coffee seed that's growing in a cherry, there's only one seed in the cherry. And typically, coffee is dichotomous, and that means that there's two seeds typically growing in the coffee cherry. Again, coffee beans that we call coffee beans are technically seeds of a cherry. And this particular one, the Brazil Alta Mogiana Natural Pea Berry, is a seed growing by itself in one cherry, and it's left to dry with the fruit all the way on it. And what's cool about a natural process is that it creates more depth, more body, a little more fruit structure potentially. Again, tasting notes are based on many factors, including origin of where it's going, like where it's growing, as well as the processing, as well as elevation. So many things go into it. The next one is the Guatemala Washed. And the Guatemala Washed is from the high mountainous terrain of Guatemala in the region Huehuetenango, which is one of the most famous growing regions in Guatemala and the world in general. And this particular coffee is drying without any fruit on it during the processing. And that affects it. It makes it a little cleaner, a little more polished, maybe some soft creaminess, some soft fruit tones, a little chocolatiness. And when creating this particular blend, we were trying to create a flavor experience that was universal to everyone's palate, where the most novice coffee drinkers could appreciate the quality of this coffee versus maybe what they can normally drink, to the most experience of coffee drinkers who can appreciate all the nuances that are within this house blend. Some of the tasting notes with this particular coffee includes nutty, chocolatey, soft citrus acidity, and again, these tones are very indicative of accessibility and palatability to many different people's preferences. So that is the Emma's Blend.